Liquor bottle filling line supplied to Angola by Shiv Shakti Mactech. Shiv Shakti Mactech, a leading manufacturer from Ahmedabad, proudly supplied a state-of-the-art liquor bottle filling line to Angola, showcasing its expertise in advanced packaging solutions. The comprehensive filling line includes a bottle washing machine, a 10-head piston-based liquor filling machine, a rotary 6-head liquor bottle ROPP capping machine, and a single-side labeling machine. This integrated system ensures seamless operations, delivering high precision, efficiency, and reliability at every stage of the liquor bottling process. The bottle washing machine ensures thorough cleaning and sterilization of bottles, meeting stringent hygiene standards. The 10-head piston-based filling machine offers accurate and consistent liquor filling, handling various bottle sizes with ease.
To maintain packaging integrity, the rotary 6-head drop capping machine applies leak-proof and tamper-evident closures with unmatched speed and precision. The line is completed with a single-side labeling machine, which ensures perfect placement of labels, enhancing product presentation and brand visibility. Designed for optimum performance, the liquor bottle filling line caters to the dynamic requirements of the Angolan liquor industry, supporting high production rates and reducing operational costs. Shiv Shakti Mactech's commitment to quality and innovation makes it a trusted partner for global clients in the packaging and bottling sector.